Hi, so now I'm going to record a tutorial video teaching you how to use Zoom instead of Teams. I'm sorry, but after multiple testing, I felt that Zoom might be slightly easier for the kids to use. It's not as powerful, but it's slightly easier. Okay, so this is the screen that your child will see. This is actually my screen. It's shared already. Okay, to maximize the screen, there's a top button here on the top right. Okay, it says here enter full screen. I would suggest you click on that so that it's easier to see when I do work on this side. Okay, let me just double click on that. So now you can see the full screen. As I teach, I will demonstrate some coding on the screen. The kids would first listen to my instructions and then copy the code on their screen. After they have done, they need to double click to make it smaller and then go to their own screen. So this is their own screen, for example. Okay, you see here the name is Magic Z screen. So Z will actually try to copy my code. He will do what he needs to do. If he's confused or is not sure, he can go back to my screen and then check my code out. Okay, all right, so this is the idea. One Zoom for the kids to see me teaching, and then the Chrome on this side for you or the kid to do the programming. Okay, number two is when the kid has got a problem and they don't know how to share with me. Okay, so the buttons down here is very clear. If it's in full screen, you can move your mouse and then this will appear at the bottom, share screen. Okay, so you click share screen. Make sure you click on the correct screen. Use the Chrome. Okay, select the Chrome here and then share it with me. Okay, okay. So once it's shared with me, the best thing to do is set it up for your child that you come here. There is a auto accept all requests. Okay, if you set it up to auto, it's lagging a little bit. If you set it up to have auto accept, that means I can not only see all the child screen when they need to, but I can help remote immediately when I need to. So I just click on it to take over and I can immediately do the work. Okay, so once this is set up, the auto accept is set up, it's done. I can accept from my computer screen. Okay, okay, once you are in this screen, he cannot or she cannot go back to Zoom. You cannot see Sir's screen anymore. Sir's screen is totally locked out. He or she can only see their own screen. Okay, so you only share the screen when your child has got a problem. It doesn't work. They're having problems. They don't know what to do. They share it with me, and then they can say, "Sir, I need some help." And then when I've got the time, I may have a few students asking for help. I will rotate through and go through them. Okay. If the child want to go back to do work, he or she has to click stop sharing. Okay. And then he can see back Eric's screen, or now my son is playing. You can see back my screen. Okay. After seeing my screen, if he doesn't want to do work, double click on this, make it smaller, go back to your own screen, and then do your own code again. Okay, do your own code again, and then you can check Sir screen again. Check Sir screen, see what code I have here, or now Z is playing something there. Check the screen. Okay, and I said again, if it's too small you can't see, click on the maximize button, full screen to see. Okay, if the child's got a problem, you just said, sir, I need some help, sir. Okay, need some help, and then you click the share screen. Click the share screen, select the Chrome, okay, and then share it with me. Once you share with me, just ensure this auto accept would be switched on for today's lesson. Okay, so ensure that it's auto accept if possible. If not, the child would have to give me permission. And that's about it. I believe this is slightly easier to use than Microsoft Teams. Again, we will do a few rounds of testing at night, 5-10 minute test to ensure that the child is familiar with the software before we do actual class. Okay, thank you.